I have heard that one of the great things about EVGA is that they've always been really good about packaging, and I've always found that to be the case in the past. Looks like that's still the case now. Here's my old card. I mean, this new card came inside this bubble wrap and then wrapped in this styrofoam and then in the box. And then the great guy that I got it from on eBay sent it to me in additional packaging in a very strong box. So I'm pretty happy with how things arrived. I've now taken off these things. Now, this is something I don't remember EVGA doing before. Maybe they did. It's been a while since I got a new card from them. It's a little rubber silicone thing to protect this all-important connector. That's got to stay clean. It's got to stay undamaged if you want your card to work properly. And this was on these brackets here, probably to protect them from getting dinged up and to protect them from punching holes through all this nice packaging. So EVGA does really go all out. It's a shame they're not going to make graphics cards for NVIDIA anymore, from what I hear. Hopefully it doesn't mean that they're going to be out of the graphics card business altogether. Maybe they'll start making cards for ATI/AMD, or maybe they'll make them for Intel and the chips that they're making now. They're discrete graphics card chips. I certainly hope so, because they're a really good company from what I've heard and my previous experience as well. I think we're ready to go now. That's just a beaut, isn't it? Now that looks like something that's worth $200, doesn't it? That looks like a quality card. They really went all out.